Hi, I'm Janet. A week after my girlfriend began living with me, I started to experience problems with my landlord, Mr. Williams. As time passed, he became more hostile, and on multiple occasions, he called us abominations. After 3 months, he asked us to leave, claiming that we would bring destruction to his house.
The Rent Restriction Act was created to protect tenants, including persons like Janet, from landlords who may act unreasonably. However, Section 25(1)(c) of the Rent Restriction Act allows landlords to evict tenants if they are a nuisance, annoyance, or using the premises for an immoral purpose. This leaves space for landlords like Mr. Williams to say that homosexuality is immoral and annoying to other tenants. This vagueness in the Rent Restriction Act allows for discrimination in housing. It is important that we protect LGBT tenants with anti-discrimination legislation. If you think you've been wronged by your landlord, do not hesitate to contact the Rent Assessment Board.